Whenever you cut mortises with a slot mortiser, you end up with mortises that are round on each end. So you need a tenon that has a similar round for a perfect fit. I used to always cut these on the table saw and then cut them round with a hand file, but I've invented a new machine that cuts these with the rounded ends on both sides. I call my new machine the pantorouter because it uses a pantograph mechanism to allow this router to follow the motion of this ball bearing up here. The pantograph is a 2-to-1 reduction mechanism. It takes the motion of the ball bearing here and cuts it down by a factor of 2 so that my router bit always follows the exact same shape of path that my ball bearing follows, but half the size. So to make a tenon like this, what I need is a template that's exactly twice the size of my tenon, and then follow that all the way around with the ball bearing, and my router bit will cut the perfect shaped tenon off the stock that's placed right here. I can also use this machine to cut mortises. All I need is a straight track on here for the bearing to roll back and forth on, and my rotor bit will also follow a straight path. With different templates on here, I can cut different types of joints. So this here right now is a multiple tenon template. And now with a corresponding multiple mortise template, I'm going to do a triple mortise to go along with that triple tenon I just cut. The cool thing with this machine is I only need to get my fit with the templates right just once, and then I can make as many joints as I want to, and they all fit perfectly. The possibilities with a machine like this are nearly endless. With this template here, for example, I can cut integral dowels into the end of a piece of stock. Integral dowels on the end of the stock. There's no other machine that does that sort of thing. There's a lot more that this machine can do, but to keep this video short, I'm going to leave it at that, and I'll make some more videos later showing other things that I can do with the machine, like dovetail joints, for example.